Hi. So I just thought that I would give you a short update about the status of Audi A2. Today it was supposed to be a perfect day because I was going to take the car to the Technični pregledi, which is an equivalent to the MOT in England, so that it would be confirmed that it is street worthy and registered, getting the license plates and everything after 8 years of not using it. Well, it didn't go according to the plan because I just drove off here, tried the handbrake and something broke and the handbrake stayed up. And of course I also lost the brakes. Why? Because there was a brake fluid leakage from the left rear brake. And I checked and yeah, I saw the brake fluid leaking, so I just parked it here, put it on the lift on this, and then took the wheel off and put below the brake fluid canister that I had from the when I replaced it. I checked, there is nothing here from the outside, so probably the brake cylinder broke. So instead of going for the registration of the car, I'm going now to the spare car parts for a shop with the spare car parts, so that I buy brake cylinder, 2 of them, because I will replace also on the right side just as a preventative measure, brake cleaner so that everything will be cleaned here, and also DOT for brake fluid because it is leaking. So let me just show you here. You can see that also the brake fluid level is too low. So you can see it's below, it's somewhere around here, which is at minimum mark, which is not good, which is not bad, but of course it should be at the maximum mark. Anyway, it's not really the best day today, but this happens with old cars. I must say that I was quite disappointed and also angry to myself, on myself, because I didn't replace the brake cylinders with the brake shoes replacement. So I'll do it now, and hopefully in the future there will be no such updates, only good ones. Well, as bad as the day started, it went afterwards a little bit better, or maybe even much better, because I purchased all the parts and my mechanic had time to replace both brake cylinders. As you can see, the wheel is already on. I also already tested the braking and the manual handbrake, and everything works perfect. So it is ready for the technical inspection, but this will need to take some other day. I will need to take it to the car there some other day. So here are the parts that were replaced. So these are both old brake cylinders, as you can see. This one was problematic, so I just replaced both of them so that I will have peace of mind. And here are the parts. So I bought the brake cleaner, DOT for brake fluid, and also both parts are Meyle, both brake cylinders. Here is the part number. I will also put it in the video description so that you will have it. Anyway, what I have learned today is that if you replace rear brake shoes on such an old car, it's good that you replace also brake cylinders, which cost basically nothing. So also the complete brake fluid was pushed through, so that there is no air in and everything works great. I hope that it will stay like that. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and of course smile when you drive, because driving is fun. Bye.